Hi, friends. Believe it or not, we only have one letter left to learn, and we've already learned all the other letters. And this is the letter letter Z. It's the last letter of the alphabet. Okay, so today what you need is you need your whiteboard, your eraser, your dry erase marker, and your letter Z finger tracing cards for both your uppercase and your lowercase z. Okay? All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you need to grab those things, pause the video and then come back to me. We're going to start with our ABC chart today, okay? And we're just going to read it the regular old way. I need to make sure that you guys know how to do this, so please make sure you're practicing this every single day, especially if your letters are still kind of tricky for you. That just means you need to do more practice. Okay, let's go. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, goat. H, house. I, igloo. J, jump rope. K, kite. L, leaf. M, magnet. N, nest. O, ostrich. P, pumpkin. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, vest. W, watch. X, x-ray. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. Great job. Okay, so we're talking about the letter Z today. Can you read this with me? Z, zebra. Do it again. Z, zebra. All right, now there's a zebra on our Z card. Do you know why? Because zebra starts with the letter Z. And what sound does Z make? Zzz. Good, make that sound. Zzz. It kind of sounds like a buzzing bee. And that's the sound you hear at the beginning of zebra. All right, can you think of anything else that has that Z sound in it? What other words have the Z sound? Like zoo or like a buzzing bee? Zzz. Very good. Okay, there are other words with a Z in it, but there is not a lot. This is not a letter that we use very often, but it's still very, very important. Okay, let's practice writing our letter Z. Now you need your finger tracing cards. All right, we are going to start with our uppercase Z. You're going to start at the top. Remember, always go top to bottom, left to right. And you're going to go straight. You're going to go across. And then you're going to slant and then go across again. Okay, ready? Z. That wasn't hard. How many lines is that? 3. Across, slant down, across. Let's finger trace it again. Ready? Z. Very good job. Okay, are you ready? I want you to pick how you write it this time. Maybe you're going to write it on the table with your finger. Maybe you're going to write it on your hand. You might choose to write it in the air. It's up to you. Are you ready? Let's go. Z. Good. Do it again. This time do it fast. Z. Now do it again, and this time do it slow. Ready? Z. Awesome. Okay, I think we're ready to write it with our markers, so get your marker out and open it up. All right, when you write your Z, you should start at the top. You're going to go across, slant down, and across again. Okay? Are you ready? We're going to do this 4 times. Each time, say the letter Z. 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 Okay, you should have 4 Z's on your whiteboard. If you don't, keep going. Do you remember what we do when we're done? You're right. We erase it fast. Grab your eraser. Erase it so fast. Whew, did I beat you? Okay, now we are ready for our lowercase z. But before we do that, let's pull both our cards back out and look at them for just a second. What do you notice about your uppercase Z and your lowercase z? I'm gonna put my marker down. I don't need it yet. Yeah, one of them's big and one of them's small. So we just did our big one, didn't we? We did the uppercase. Now we're gonna do the small one, the lowercase. Do they look the same though? You're right, they do. They look exactly the same. So if you can write your uppercase Z, will you be able to write your lowercase? You sure will, because if you can write one, you can write the other. It's just that one of them's a little bit bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna move our card, or my uppercase card out of the way, and let's finger trace our lowercase Z. Where's your finger gonna go to begin? Yep, right here. Okay. Say the letter with me when you do it. Z. Do it again. Z. Very good. One more time. Z. This is kind of a fun letter. Okay, now get your finger. Why don't you write it on your board with your finger? Ready? Z. Good. Okay, now write it on your other hand with your finger. Z. Good. Okay, this time it's your choice. You choose where to write it. Ready? Z. Great. Okay, now we're ready to actually write it with our marker. So get your marker back out. And just like your uppercase, when you do this, you're going to start at the top and go across, slant down, across. Did I ever pick up my marker? No, I didn't have to. It's like 3 lines, but you don't ever have to pick up your marker while you're writing. If you keep your marker on the board the whole time, it will be quicker. Okay? All right, let's practice this 4 times. Z. 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 Did you get it? Okay, so now that you've got your Z 4 times, you're ready to close your marker and erase your board super quick. All right, friends, tomorrow we're gonna read our book about the letter Z. I'm so excited to see what things are in that story. I'll see you later.